So in this video, I'll show you how you can bind your Where Winds Meet account to Steam. So the first easiest way to do this is to simply navigate to the settings menu. So open up the menu and then select settings and then scroll through the different options until you get to the section Other and select it. From here, look for Bind Account and click on it, and then this pop-up should appear on your screen. Next, scroll until you find the option Steam, and all you need to do is simply select Link. Once you've done that, it will tell you to copy this URL so that you can be able to copy paste it in your favorite browsing app. So go ahead and click on this Copy URL button, and then simply open up your favorite browsing app on your computer or wherever it is that you currently are, and then paste the URL and press enter. From here, you're then going to be brought to Steam. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign in with your account details. And so simply wait for your account to be successfully signed in, whether you choose to sign in with your account details or you choose to scan with your QR code. And then from here, once you've successfully signed in, you can then simply go ahead and confirm that it's you signing into your account, and you'll be brought to the page that allows you to bind your account successfully. So as you can see here, it says the Steam account has been linked successfully. So you can go ahead and close your web browser. And then when you go back to Where Winds Meet and you go and select Bind Account, you should see in this pop-up menu, it successfully binded your Steam account. So now you can go ahead and close it and go back to playing a game with your Where Winds Meet account successfully connected to Steam. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.